Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are all doing well. My name is Sanif Tehar and I am your English teacher. Today we are going to discuss about the prefix, which are sometimes also known as opposites. Let's begin our lesson with the definition of prefix. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change its meaning. It is put at the start of another word to make a different meaning. It makes the opposite of the actual word. The original word is called the root or base word. We can understand these points by looking at the examples. Here we are having a box containing 3 columns, namely prefix, root word, and new word. As we have discussed earlier, that prefix is a letter or group of letters. So you can see the prefix this, re, co are the group of letters. Point number 4. The original word is called the root or base word. Here we have the root word, which is the original word. And here we have connect, do, exist. Connect, do, exist are the original word. We add prefix to these words in order to make a new word, and the new word which is formed by adding prefix and root word has the different or opposite meaning from the root word. Like connect is a root word. If we add prefix this, the new word will be the disconnect, and the meaning of the disconnect is completely opposite of the word connect. Similarly, we have a root word do. If we add prefix re, so then it's become the redo, and redo has the different or opposite meaning from the do. Now we have the word exist. If we add prefix co before the exist, then the new word would be coexist, and the meaning of coexist is the opposite of exist. Here I have given you the prefix chart mate. An, im, dis, in. These are the most frequently used prefixes in English language. Go through it so you all can have idea about it. Let's see the word unhappy. Happy is the root word, and we have used un as the prefix, and as a result we have the new word which is the unhappy, and the meaning of the unhappy is the complete opposite of happy. Similarly, go through all of these words. In the conclusion, I am going to play a short video for you which will enhance your learning about the prefixes. Hope you like it, and there is also a worksheet attached to this video. You have to get print off of these worksheets and just try to do it. And in the last, I am giving you the assignment that you all have to do the exercise on page number 65 from your course book. Hope you like the lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Stay safe.
An affix is a word part that is attached or affixed to a root word. Sometimes an affix comes before a root word or stem, and sometimes it comes after. When it comes before the root word, it is called a prefix. The root word is the main part of a word that gives that word its basic meaning. When you attach a prefix to a root word, you change its meaning. Even if you're unaware of it, you've surely heard one of these in the past. In fact, you just heard a prefix in that sentence. Unaware is a combination of the word aware and the prefix un. Un into the word aware makes it mean the opposite of aware, or not aware. See how the prefix un changed the meaning of the word? Let's look at some other examples of prefixes you might have heard before. And just like un, they all have meanings that, when added to a root word, will change its meaning. There's re, that means again. So if we add it to a root word like play, we get replay, which means to play again. Or to a root word like organize, and we get reorganize, which means to organize again. Pre is another one. Pre means before. Let's add pre to a couple of words and see what we get. How about school? You go to preschool before you go to school. Pre-school. And how about fix? Add pre to it and you get prefix. And now we know that a prefix is something you attach before your root word. Makes sense, right? Just keep in mind that while the root or stem of a word tells you the basic meaning, a prefix can change everything.